Hello and welcome back to my video about Windows. In back in days, we use putty in Windows to connect to Linux servers between SSH and the Linux distro. And in the newer version of Windows, I figure out there's a new feature. You can directly connect to SSH directly from Windows 10 to your Linux version. It could be your server, a second desktop, or something else. But yeah, you can go down here to the Windows logo and type cmd for command line and go up. If you type SSH, you can see we have all the commands. So I can go to SSH and Paris and my test Linux distribution with the Debian. It's asked about it's okay, and I say yes, it is, and then I go inside. And yes, I'm in. And now you can see I have my Debian. I can just open up here, and can I? No, nothing else here. This doesn't matter. And you can see I can say IP address show and htop, and yeah, now I'm on my box, and that's how you can connect via SSH. And you have all the commands you know from Linux. You can use I to take your identifier key, and yeah, everything else. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love to start using Windows and SSH command inside Windows to connect to a Linux box. You don't need a third part application to connect to your servers. It's a very neat function in Windows, and now it's here. So start using it. Thank you for watching. I hope you want to subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, please make them below. I'll try to answer them. If you like it, please like it and add it for your playlist. Thank you so much for your time, and hope to see you next time.